Hey guys, welcome to Garden Up. So today I'm setting my workspace that has been a long pending project. I have been dealing this purely out of laziness. I feel you guys really like decor ideas, so I thought I would share with you how I use some interesting wall art and plants to set up my space. If you do like such videos, then don't forget to like and share this with your friends and family. This helps us to grow our community and support our channel. I am so excited to share this idea with you, so let's jump in. This corner of our living room is about 6 by 8 feet, and I feel it's the perfect place for me to set up my desk because it gets a lot of natural light. I bought a white and a golden oak finish table from Urban Ladder. It is also available on Amazon. I think white tone furniture works really well for small spaces, especially when the walls are pure white. One thing that complements very well with the white shades is green for sure, and what could be better than a good Erica beside the desk. This corner is well lit but does not get direct sun, so it's the perfect spot for Erica palm to grow. I always use a drainage plate, which is a frisbee in this case, for my indoor plants. I get a lot of questions from you that how do you keep the space clean when you have a lot of indoor plants. So this is how I keep the space clean. For its care, I have to just maintain moist and well-drained soil, and I will be watering it whenever the soil gets dried. So I have also shared in my other videos the way to check if it needs water. Touch the soil and see if it's dry. If it doesn't stick to your finger, that means it's dry, like in this case. I think Ericas also add a good height to the space and they look magical with fairy lights. The other plant with similar requirements is rubber plant, Ficus elastica. I always use a drainage disc, a plate or anything just to collect the water. I am keeping it on a stand so that the floor under it can be cleaned every day. I can't do this with the Erica because Erica is much heavier and it will be difficult to move it around. Rubber plant also likes well lit space and no direct sun. By the way, both of these plants are great air purifiers as well. So with the desk and the plants in place, I have set the base for this space. Now I'm going to move on to the wall art. One great way for getting an idea of how the art would look is to take a rough measurement of the wall you want to decorate and use that to lay down the art on the floor. You can see what arrangement works best and you can move around the frames. All these frames are mostly cutouts or painted fabric that I have been saving from before. Previously, I used to stay in a hostel, so I didn't have the opportunity and space to lay down all these beautiful things that I've been collecting. I am so happy that finally I have a space of my own. Since this is a rented house, I don't want to hammer any nails in the wall. I'm using this tape that comes out very easily. I will put a link down below from where you can get it. There are two parts to it. One that goes on the wall and the other on the frame. So you can lock them together. It somewhat works like a Velcro, but it's way stronger than that. So I'm starting with a bigger thing, which is the pinning board here. And then I'm going to build up my wall collage around it. For these frames, I'm using stick-on hooks. By the way, when you buy these, each one comes with a load limit written on it. This one is a framed jute fabric. This one I had cut out from some packaging material. And this poster I actually designed myself and got a printout on the photo paper. This frame is the only piece that I actually bought. So it's from an artist that I bought online. Knowing the alignment could be really difficult when you're putting them on the wall. So a second person could be of great help in hanging them. And in this case, my brother, whom you have seen and heard in the background so many times before. So now to bring this all together, I'm using a wooden piece, which is a bird cage. I bought it from a craft store and I also plan to paint it at some point. On the table, I'm adding a metal organizer in which I can keep my propagated leaves as well. A quick update on the video that I did on indoor plant cuttings about a month back. The snake plant has finally grown roots. I have been waiting for this so patiently. I will soon be putting it in soil. I'm also adding another plant on the table. The name of this one is a mouthful for sure. And another one at the base, a peace lily. Both of these really like moisture in their soil, so I have to keep a close check on their watering. And now finally, the most important thing, a chair for comfortable and long sittings. This one is not even bulky and I think it's quite stylish as well. I'm going to style it with a throw. I feel a throw softens the look and makes the space look cozy. If you have seen my Instagram feed, I have so many pictures of this throw. I absolutely love it. I got it from a lady in Mumbai. I don't think they have a proper website or a shop yet. If I find anything similar to this online, I will put a link down below. And I have my open workspace ready that I absolutely love to sit in and work from. If you haven't watched my last video, I talked in great length about how to prepare compost at home from kitchen waste in super simple steps, without any smell, without attracting any rats or lizards. Do check that one out. And if you have cared to watch this video so far, all the way till the end, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.